Oh boy, got Badu. Man.
Today we're food review. Wendy's 4 for 4.
Let me get a close up.
Today we're reviewing the Wendy's 4 for 4. See, the 4 for 4 comes with 4 items for $4. The 4 items is a cheeseburger, a drink, and the drink I have is Coke. And what it also comes with is your sauce of choice, nuggets. I got a little carried away. And it also comes with fries, but I also got a little carried away. See, that's all. See, as you can see, what we have left is a little bit of sauce. We got some Coke, and we got a cheeseburger.
Hey. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Get a close up of it. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, no. Okay, end it.